A Vanderbilt doctor is front and center overseeing the nation's research into a vaccine for COVID-19.
She is Dr. Catherine Edwards, and tonight she tells our News 4's Nancy Amons that she's very encouraged by what she's seeing so far.
The world is waiting and watching for a COVID-19 vaccine. Well, a Vanderbilt doctor is in charge of making sure a potential vaccine is safe, even as the research proceeds at warp speed.
And I'm very hopeful.
Dr. Catherine Edwards' opinion should carry a lot of weight. She's a principal investigator for vaccine safety. It's work funded by the CDC. She says she's very encouraged by the vaccine trials she's watching.
All of the data that I have seen from the phase 1 trials, and I've looked at all the data that have been published, all suggest that the immune responses are good, that we're generating neutralizing antibody that will sit on the virus and not prevent it from infecting. So that's very encouraging.
You know how after you get a flu shot, your arm might hurt a little, you might feel a little under the weather, or maybe you've gotten a shingles shot and it made your arm red. Well, she says the coronavirus vaccine might have a kick too.
There are some local and systemic reactions that you see after vaccine. There are more sore arms and there's some low-grade fevers and sort of tiredness. And it's a little bit like the Shingrix vaccine that I think is people are hearing about. It's more kind of has a bigger punch. But I think that's probably what we need to get the immunity that's necessary. And so people need to understand that as well. But the reactions are certainly not worrisome in any way.
Dr. Edwards is working with the CDC and the FDA. She says she's very encouraged by the safety measures she sees.
If they aren't safe, we're not going to give it to people.
After people start getting the vaccine, Dr. Edwards will be in touch with doctors to check for any adverse effects. Nancy Amons, News 4, Nashville.